Hello everyone, I am Mohith Kumar MP from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangaluru. I am first year Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Now I am going to present the project based on the subject Innovation and Design Thinking, and my topic is Driver Sleep Detector Ensuring Road Safety. The needs for a driver sleep detector. Recognizing this need to tackle drowsy driving, the driver sleep detector has emerged as a sophisticated technology that can monitor a driver's alertness levels and provide timely warnings when signs of drowsiness are detected. This technology aims to improve road safety by ensuring that drivers remains awake and attentive while behind the wheel. How does the driver sleep detector works? These are several different methods used in driver sleep detectors, but most commonly they apply the following technique. First one is eye tracking. By analyzing driver's eye movements and blinks, system can determine if the eyes are closing or if a driver is becoming drowsy. And second one is steering wheel sensors. Some detectors use sensors in the steering wheel to measure micro adjustments made by the driver. These adjustments decrease when a person is drowsy. Third one is heart rate monitoring. Some devices are electrodiagram, it's called ECG sensors to measure a driver's heart rate. A sudden decrease in heart rate might indicate drowsiness. Uh, some advantages based on this topic. First one is accident prevention. Second one is improved reaction time. Third one is personal safety. Fourth one is safety for others. Fifth one is increased awareness. Sixth one is customizable alerts. This is the design of my topic. Okay, thank you.